Okay, we arrived very smoothly in Lukla. As I was getting ready to go from Kathmandu, we were on the first flight, and the weather's perfect today, very clear, cool temps, so the flight was really smooth coming in. About 30 minutes from Kathmandu into the Lukla airport. We're now in Lukla, just stopped for some tea, get the bags all off the flight, kind of settle in, and we load them on the yaks, and we're going to trek to Phuoc Dinh. We'll get to Phuoc Dinh, we'll have lunch there, and then today we like to push on from Phuoc Dinh and actually spend the night in Monjo, the small village of Monjo that's right on the edge of the entrance to the Sagamartha National Park. So we're going to have a great day out. Weather's perfect, it's not too busy, and yeah, here we go. We're heading towards Everest Base Camp.
Gut.
Well, I'm glad you guys made it.
Is this how you felt the subway during an earthquake?
Yeah. I'm being drunk. Oh,